Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. House plants and gardening have brought me a lot of joy the last few years. There's just something so satisfying about growth, about putting in the work and seeing results in a tangible way. My connection to nature has always been strong and an important gardening tool for me. Also, being gardening tips. Gardening is a good hobby and it's my favorite hobby. Gardening includes in a domain growing, cultivating and planting of new plants and taking care of them. Plants are an essential item of nature. Having them cultivated in a garden help us to remain in constant touch with greenery and nature. Garden makes a house look gorgeous for the purpose. Gardening is of necessity. Without gardening, the garden would look wild and dirty with excessive growth and dense bushes. I have a big and beautiful garden in front of my house. There are many beautiful flowers in my garden like roses, orchid, lilies. My garden has all type of plants and some trees. My grandfather and I watered the plants. And gardening is a branch of horticulture. Gardening is also considered as a therapy that helps our body in increasing the helping happy homes level. Gardening helps us to grow the vegetables that are sufficient for our needs. Garden includes is it domain growing, cultivated and planting. The garden of the house is the most beautiful and open places are the help in realizing stress. The garden help us in the preserving the environment and nature by planting fruits, flowers and vegetables. Garden help increase one's love and compassion for nature while nurturing and growing various kind of things. Thanks for watching.